class, you're like, sorry, I was doing this. You don't have to say the entire class to you, I'm sorry that I wasted your time.
Right, so maybe not to like the degree that they are doing it, but in general, when you do something that's a mistake that inconveniences people or whatever, it's a good thing to say sorry, right? It's a good thing to say sorry, but they kind of take it to an extreme in the book. So right now, we are going to start some projects where you guys are going to create your own utopia. I'll have you work in pairs, but not yet.
Wait. So, are we in groups?
Yeah, but not yet. We're going to do a couple of things by ourselves first, and then I'll explain the rest of it. Okay. So, you'll notice the top of this paper has 3 spaces. That is because you cannot have more than 3 people in your group. You can have 2 people or 3 people, but that's it. So you can write your own name in that first space, first of all. And then, these first 2 questions, I want you to take some time right now to fill out on your own. This should be like a review for you, because we've already done this. So I'll just give you like 2 or 3 minutes.
Like, is it the one that will be researched, or like, can we do learn about?
Yeah, I don't know. It could do. So question 2 says to summarize one of the utopias you researched. It could be the one you looked up or one that you learned about from someone at your table. Also, don't worry about your groups yet because we're going to do that in a minute. So you should be answering question 1 and 2 right now. Without an E is no place. And then with an E is good place. That's awesome you remember that. Okay, just like 30 more seconds to finish answering these questions. So number 3 just has some instructions. It says, pretend that you've been asked by the United States government to develop an ideal society, a utopian society. In this society, all members must be equal. Racism, violence, crime, homelessness, poverty, divorce, and hunger cannot exist. Brainstorm a list of several problems that you would most like to remove from society. So right now, that's good. So obesity would be one. Number 4, I want you to talk just with your table and brainstorm 12 ideas until you fill these up.
Just with your table?
Just with your table. Yes. So there's a whole list up in number 3. It says racism, violence, crime. You can put those ones down.
There has to be violence, dude.
how come you can't have divorce?
Because the paper said so.
Divorce is good. Well, sometimes you have to divorce though.
Are you kidding me?
It's wine. Sometimes you have to divorce.
It's wine.
To be happy.
It's wine.
Right.
I already wrote
So-
them. I already wrote down that. And I already wrote down. I will not change it.
You don't have to change it, I already told you, you can use the same ones that were up there.
He likes soccer. He likes soccer.
So what are some other problems you came up with that you'd want to get rid of?
Soccer. You gotta call racism.
Artificial, what do you mean? Good, awesome. So like unhealthy processed food, kind of? Good. Write it down.
Yeah, I'm racist to everybody who's not American. Why am I going
You know that in Russia, when they play lacrosse, they sell them in the United States?
But she doesn't have the eyes. She's not
My
like
dad
her.
sucks under that.
She's not Asian. Yeah, she's not Oriental.
There you go.
She's Asian. It's like if I go on a mission, no, it's not. Miss Weinheim? It's not Weinheim. It's Weinheimer, it's not Chinese name.
That kind of goes in.
Right, Weinheimer is a German name. Wen is a Chinese name.
You're German then.
That's like saying everyone in America is fat.
How's that?
It's called a generalization.
Oh, who says there's not fat people in Germany?
Actually, I think that,
And they took it away that Americans are like half of them.
That's still
the percentages. Most Americans are pretty big.
I would say Americans are fat.
right now,
I'm like, how would you like that? It's like, no. Actually,
Oh, there's more
yeah, I cannot come up the street. I'm done. And all of them are written out.
Americans,
About drugs.
are you eating laziness?
I don't know.
Laziness, weird.
About,
Language.
how about sexism? Sexism is like discriminating against people because they're women or because they're
Big anymore. Wouldn't that be racism? Wouldn't that still be racism though?
No, because women and men aren't a different race, they're a different gender.
I want to go yeah, it's like hating someone because they're so short. So I'm just wondering,
Sexism.
I'm sorry.
what is it called?
Sexism. Oh, like that, ISM.
I just call it sexist.
Right, so sexist is like a person who hates someone because they're a man or because they're a woman.
Tanner, you're a boy.
But anyway, let's just say.
No, I'm 7.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, trying to get rid of that.
How about bad weather?
How would you change that? Have a magical dome?
Magical glass.
There you go.
I love thunderstorms. Holy cow, wine.
How about poisonous snakes?
Question, can we get rid of
We have a lot of black.
What about,
Oh, you know what you should do?
what about
Every house,
man-eating beef?
every house has a dome that you can keep a mother
I'm gonna have.
Get rid of one over here.
Well, I know, I'm gonna remove weather, and then you can control your own weather. Like having snow, if it's not in the middle of what really is summer, but if it's snowing, and you don't move your house.
I'm gonna make.
See?
No,
Don't like snow and rain.
I'm gonna make animals
Remember one time
giant
my dad
and
tried
nice.
playing snow at club?
Well, it kind of just
Show
shows
those socks, but then.
I want to ride Blue Jay. That's on my bucket list. Woo!
Hey, here's your
Not yet.
Grease is awesome. Don't remove them.
Alright, so, everybody,
Dude, I removed rich people's
Why? You're
I'm
down.
going to Arizona after Christmas.
No, I'm not.
Day after Christmas.
okay, class.
Okay.
You guys, can I get your attention, please?
Democrats.
Okay, so maybe you want to get rid of politics.
Politics are awesome. Hey, I said that was
Sounds like
bad.
Obama.
I said we're taking out Obama.
Okay.
Get rid of calculus.
No flying people.
Okay, everyone.
Everyone just
Now-
fly.
I think everyone
Get rid
has.
of school.
No, hey, that's me.
Don't die.
Get rid of every class except for English and PE.
Yeah, no.
And math, because I like math.
I like math.
Not even
So
gay.
I like one of my classes, but you don't.
Alright, class.
I get a sucker.
This is your last warning. I just tried to get your attention like 4 times.
Yes. Lost in space.
What? Dude, shut up.
Wait, did you try to check my phone?
Okay, so now what I want you to do is get in groups of 2 or 3. Not 4, not 5, not 1.
Yeah.
And I want you to do number 4. So number 4 is, no, just kidding, number 5, I meant. So the one that has V, the one that says V, Roman numeral 5. So in your group, I want you to choose 4 of the things from that list you just made that you think are like the most important that you want to get rid of. And brainstorm what would you do, what would you create as your solution?
Rich people and
Jesse, what are you supposed to do right now?
supposed to do I'm supposed to write down the stuff I most want from the list. I'm supposed to put it on there. Problem society. Then my solution of problem, I write like say my problem's like Obama, then I'd say like remove Obama from the atmosphere and stuff.
Okay, yes. That is a pretty good summary. Okay, anyone have questions about what to do right now? Okay, ready, go get in your groups
Shoot
and
doing like
fill
a
out
pro
number
up to like
5.
units.
Yeah, you can make your own groups.
Or we could have like Venus monster.
I'm wolf.
Can we just try putting your utilities in
I'm a
the
little-
cutting down the trees?
I have to be
Just
a
make
bunch
one
of
house
ants.
and
Jesse,
go.
are you kidding me? This is the worst group. What is that supposed to do? Can I be with them?